This is the Fire TV Cube, Amazon's new 4K media player that you can control with your voice. It's basically a Fire TV combined with an Echo. Let's open it up and check it out. But first I want to say hi, my name is Craig and this is my Tech Talk. Here I do tech tips and reviews. I also have a weekly Echo series. For more information, check out the description. I'll put links in there to the Fire TV Cube so you can learn more about it. And I'll also put in there an Echo help guide so you can learn more about what these things do. When I try this out, I will be changing the name of the device to Computer. That way I don't trigger your device at home. As we open this up, let's talk about some of the details. This is 119. It is a 4K media player that you can control using your voice and Alexa. You can download skills, movies, apps onto it. Okay, opening it up here. It's definitely feels solid like the rest of the Echoes. Let's peel off all of this. Make sure not to touch your Echo. It is very glossy. Up here, there's the 8 microphones. Down here's a speaker that you can use so when your audio system or your television is off, you still can communicate with the device and make requests. You have volume up, down, your mute, action button. On the back, you have an HDMI cable, the infrared emitter, power cable right there, a micro USB, manuals. In this box, we have the power supply. And right here, this is the infrared emitter, which is meant to go inside cabinets or someplace where this can't reach it with the signal. This does have the infrared emitters on there. So where I'm going to put this, I most likely won't need to use this. The Ethernet adapter that will go into the micro USB. And that's basically all the components of it. Oh, here is the remote. That's all the components. That's the unboxing. The next part I won't bore you with. It should be plug in an HDMI, plug in the power cord, and set it up like a rest of the Echo devices. I'll follow up with more of this process later. I just want to get to trying this out in this video so we could see how some of the commands work with this. While software installs, couple quick notes. There is no multi-room music, there is no calling or messaging enabled, and you cannot connect Bluetooth devices such as your phone. Another note, there is no volume buttons on here, so you have to use your voice or use another remote. Okay, I'm past the boring part of setup and logging in to all my streaming accounts. Now we're ready to try it out. Computer, turn on the TV. Now this is an older television. I've had it for almost 9 years now, and it easily turned it on. And we're right at the Amazon home screen that looks familiar if you have a Fire TV stick. Now let's try opening something with our voice. Computer, open American Ninja Warrior on Hulu.
Getting American Ninja Warrior from Hulu.
Now I haven't tried any of these in advance. I'm really just trying each of these commands for the first time. Computer, pause. Wow, right to American Ninja Warrior, right to the episode that we had left off on. Okay, doing good so far. Computer, go home. Now this is also set up so you could have it prioritize responding over other devices in the house. So if you are watching something, if this picks up the sound and another Echo picks it up, this will actually prioritize if you leave favor on. Let's try opening a movie on Netflix. Computer, open up Doctor Strange on Netflix.
Getting Doctor Strange from Netflix.
Computer, open DirecTV Now.
Here's DirecTV Now SM.
And for robes, they're both.
Computer, go to ABC.
I can't do that on Fire TV.
And add elegance to your home.
Computer, next channel.
Next is not supported.
Computer, mute sound. See, that's one of the interesting things about this right now is that not all the apps work with voice and it doesn't necessarily recognize them. Like it was able to instantly pick up something out of Hulu or Netflix, same with Prime Video, but it's not able to really manipulate or use DirecTV Now to its fullest. You'll still need the remote to navigate so you can get to things like the guide. Hopefully we'll see that improve over time. One of the bragging points is that it does pick up voices over the music and sound. Let's just try a simple echo command. Computer, what time is it? Now you see that? The blue bar went, but nothing happened. Computer, I can't hear you.
Okay, I'll talk to you here now.
Now it's switched over to the speaker that's underneath of the Echo, and it's not relying on the TV sound. Computer, turn off the TV. Computer, what time is it?
The time is 9:36 a.m.
Computer, what's the weather today?
Currently, in Agora Hills, it's 66 degrees Fahrenheit.
Computer,
and
stop.
Clouds.
That's actually pretty loud. Computer, what is the volume?
This device is at volume 3.
Computer, play classical music.
Here's a station for classical music, Classical Focus, from Amazon Music.
That's another feature when you are playing music or you request a TV show or movie, it will turn on your device, your amplifier, whatever you set up. Computer, turn it up. Computer, pause. Computer, what songs are popular?
Showing popular songs from your library or Prime.
And there we go, it'll pop up the music on there. Computer, turn off the TV. That's the unboxing and a brief look at the Fire TV Cube. I will do a more comprehensive review later on when I have some more time to play with it. But I think it's an interesting blend of a Fire TV stick and an Echo. I mean, it does need work. There are some limitations. I was surprised how well calling up something on Netflix and Hulu worked. You know, we'll play with it some more. Let me know your thoughts or if you have any questions down in the comments section. If you like this video, please hit that like button and share it with a friend. If this is the first time you've watched one of these videos, subscribe, stick around for next week's Echo video. Also hit the bell, you'll be notified when that video comes out. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.